everyone, today I bring you ultra clear indoor LED screen EA600COB2. Want to know how awesome it is? Come on and take a look at me. This EA600COB2 indoor LED screen is designed for front maintenance. Using this physical suction cup, ordinary users can also easily replace the module, which improves the efficiency and the convenience of maintenance. EA600COB2 is wirelessly designed. In addition, its data and power input uses HUV connection design without the need for additional EC power cord and cables, making installation easier, saving time and effort. From the side, you can see that the LED screen is only 39mm thick, which saves space while providing an excellent user experience and blends perfectly with the simple design. The LED screen uses COB technology, which provides excellent pixel pitch, smoother LED module surface, high reliability, and more realistic color effects. EA600COB2 indoor LED screen just right off 600 by 337.5mm and with aspiration of 16:9 and support 2K, 4K and even 8K resolutions. The pictures details are super clear and the color are lifelike, as if every picture is vividly presented in front of you. Finally, let's compare its outstanding visual performance. Let's go. EA600COB2's LED screen adopts a latest LED technology, which is significantly improving the brightness and the contrast, presenting a more excellent display effect. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please subscribe and like our channel. See you next time.